As a CIO or IT executive, you need visibility into what services you offer the business, how well those services are performing, what your resources are doing to support those services, and what all of that is costing you. ServiceNow.com is a complete IT management suite. Based on ITIL version 3 guidelines, we provide service desk, incident, problem, change, release, and service level management, CMDB, service catalog, and many other disciplines on a single, modern, on-demand platform. This cohesiveness provides unparalleled visibility into all aspects of the IT environment without the complexities of integrating multiple systems. The Business Service Catalog in ServiceNow.com is an elegant way to explain to your customers what services you can offer them. Much like a menu in a restaurant, the Service Catalog illustrates what's available, the definition of what's in scope and out of scope, detail around what commitments and SLAs you're willing to place on that service, things like availability percentages, and lastly, what you're going to charge them to provide this service. Once you've negotiated the service terms with your customer, it's obviously very important to understand how well your organization is performing and how well you're meeting those commitments. This executive dashboard illustrates the services that you offer and ties those specific commitments back to reality. ServiceNow.com is really an ERP system for IT, from which information about all facets of ITIL and service management is available. That allows you to aggregate a lot of individual sources of data, such as incident management and service desk, change management and operations, monitoring and network management, to give you an executive view, such as this. From here, I can see that a lot of things are working well, but I'm particularly interested in the things that are not. A simple traffic light display, green, yellow, red, makes performance very clear and concise. I can see that our trading application, for example, is really falling down. We're not meeting our commitments and the system is currently unavailable. Because I have all of this data in a single platform, I now have the immediate capability to drill in and investigate what's going on. This means that I can have more detailed views of our targets over various periods of time and understand where we're having the biggest issues. So on July 19th, it looks like we had a significant number of outages here, some real poor service availability, down to 83%. Remember, these are dynamic charts, so with a click, I can immediately drill down again to that underlying outage or incident data. Additionally, I have visibility into how the service is constructed. Through the Business Service Map, which is leveraging the Configuration Management Database, I can now draw relationships between the logical service that I'm offering to my customer and the entire real-world infrastructure that supports it. It's a great way to gain impact analysis and real-time perspectives of how these individual components are performing. For example, this web server is colored orange on the map, indicating that we've got some issues. In fact, if I drill into this, I'm able to see that we currently have an open incident, a server down issue, that's occurring on that device. So this is a very good way for your organization to target where the issues occur and speed resolution. When looking at the service in detail, I also have clear visibility into cost-related information. Costs and expense lines can be generated from a variety of sources, from procurement and leasing activities for infrastructure, to ongoing or recurring data center costs, such as power consumption, monitoring, backup services, as well as task-oriented costs. It costs money for your people to go out and perform change activities, patch these systems and update them. So their work can also be aggregated as costs, giving you a snapshot for a period of time to understand what a particular service truly costs to run. From there, you can obviously compare to chargeback, showback, or billing and start to assess your margins. Am I making money or am I losing money? Additionally, you'll likely have one or multiple projects in play at any time for your services. Continually improving them, perhaps taking enhancement requests from your customer base and doing application development. Project and portfolio management is a core capability of the ServiceNow.com platform and gives you powerful visualization into project definition, how well that project is being completed, and whether we're on target from a time and cost perspective. You also have visibility into resource allocation. So for this project, which of my resources are working on it? How are they allocated from a time standpoint? And which tasks are they associated with? In addition, portfolio management is available. providing a broader view of a set of projects, perhaps around an initiative like data center consolidation, a Windows 7 rollout, or a green IT initiative. From here, I can see the multiple projects associated with this broader goal, and I can get a quick snapshot of the current risk status, our estimated cost, value, and proposed ROI. ServiceNow.com offers IT executives visibility into all aspects of their business and a clear understanding of service performance, resource utilization, and cost management. For more information, connect with ServiceNow.com and we'll show you how to transform your legacy.